Hi Year 4. So this week we were looking at written multiplication. First off, I'm going to show you the expanded written multiplication method. This is sometimes seen as a simpler way of doing it, but it has more steps than the compact method that we'll be learning tomorrow. However, we're going to go through this one today because it's going to help you to understand what's going on when we move on to the compact method tomorrow. Okay, so I'm just going to start by doing, the question I'm going to do is 34 multiplied by 6. Okay. I'm going to lay it out like this. So I've got my 10s here, my 1s here, and they're clearly in columns. I know it's tricky when it's on plain paper to stick to columns, but you've got to make sure you're doing it. Otherwise, the next step's not going to go very well. So, the reason why this is called expand is I'm going to expand 34 times 6 and break it down like we did yesterday. First off, I'm going to do 4 times 6. That's going to go here. Now I know that 4 times 6, or 4 6 times is 24. So 20 going in my 10s column, and the 4 going there. Now, I've done 4 times 6, but now I need to do 30 times 6. The 3 is in the 10s column, so I know it represents 30. And I'm going to do that here, just below where I did 4 times 6. Now, I know that 3 times 6 is 18. So 30 times 6 must be 10 times greater than that, because 30 is 10 times greater than 3. So if 3 times 6 is 18, I know that 30 times 6 is 180. Okay. So, I've done both parts now. I've multiplied the 4 by 6 and the 30 by 6 of the 34. So what I need to do now, I'm going to draw another line here, and I'm going to add 24 and 180 together. So 4 add to 0 is 4. 2 10s add 8 10s is 10 10s. So I'm going to put a 0 here and regroup those 10 10s into 100. And then 100 add 100 is 200. And that gives me my final answer of 204. So have a practice now with the ones on the sheet we've handed out, and have a little go and see what you can do.